First of all, I want to apologize to you guys. Almost immediately after my last video went live, the developers patched that ChatGPT Plus trick. But you know I wouldn't leave you empty-handed. I'm back today with a massive banger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 100% free, unlimited access to Anthropic's brand new, incredibly powerful Mythos-class model, Claude Fable 5. If you don't want to miss out before this one gets patched too, subscribe to the channel right now, and let's jump straight in. Open up any browser on your phone or PC and search for GitLab. Once the homepage loads, click on the Try for Free banner. This is going to give us access to their premium ultimate trial, which includes their AI suite. Scroll down on the sign up page, click the Google icon, and log in using your Google account. You'll receive a verification code in your Gmail. Just copy that code, paste it into GitLab, and your account verification is complete. Now, this personalization page is the most important step. Make sure to select the exact same options I do. For your role, choose System Administrator. For who will be using, select My Team. For the reason, you can pick any option. Select your actual country. And finally, type in any random name for your company name. Even your own name works. Click Continue to GitLab and your account is officially set up. If you see a warning banner at the top asking you to set a password, don't worry about it. That's just because we used Google Login, you can safely ignore it. Look at the bottom sidebar and click on the chat icon to open GitLab Duo Chat. By default, it will be set to Claude Sonnet. Click on that model drop-down, scroll through the list, and select Claude Fable. And just like that, we have access. Let's test it to make sure it's working. I'll ask, which model are you? Look at that, it replies, Claude Fable 5. To check how long we have access to this powerhouse, close the chat and click on your profile group name at the top left. As you can see, our premium trial is completely active for a full month and you can even invite your team members to use it with you. If you enjoyed this quick workaround, you know what to do. Smash that like button, share this with your developer and tech friends, and subscribe so you never miss these fast-acting updates. See you guys in the next video.